bottle. And lastly, each benches and table will be covered with rags that coated with cement mixture.
Now, let's see the cost of making bench stick. Materials we need to buy are only 4. The first one is 7 kilograms of Portland cement, around 6 ringgit. Second one is 4 kilograms of sand, around 5 ringgit and 94 cents. Then 2 plastic rolls, around 15 ringgit. And lastly, 3 bottles of Mr. DIY spray paint, around 15 ringgit 87 cents. The total cost of making our incredible bench sticks is only 42 ringgit and 81 cents.
That is all from us. Thank you.